Page 257, this is number 3 at the top of the page. Again, it's a reading exercise, so you go through the reading, just try and read it. I'm going to go through the process for learning it. Let's see what happens. 2 lines long, treble bass clef, 1 flat in the key signature. We're either in the key of F major or D minor. If I look at the last measure, F major, I guess we're in F major. Do the scales and arpeggios for both. So F major and D minor, okay. If you don't know them, you do them 1 octave. If you do know them, then go 2 octaves. But do the stuff I explain in the video. Don't just quick, all right, I did it, I'm done, and now we can go on. Really do the stuff I explain in the video. Have 4/4 signature, right hand first. Make sure I can connect all these notes here. I don't know why they're giving you a 1 in the 3rd measure. I'm already 1. Then scrunch up. That may be an error. They may have meant to give you a 3 instead of a 1. Because I can change on repeated notes. Doesn't matter because I can go from 1 to 5 very easily. So you can use a 1 or a 3 there in the 3rd measure. And then the 2nd line. Thumb comes down. That's fun. Left hand. Let's see if I can connect this. We're 3. Little finger comes down. I changed hand positions. Come back. You can use 3 if you want, or 2, whichever. But measure 6, I needed 2. Now they want here. Just got to screech up more. Now, if you have real little hands, and this doesn't working for you, going measure 6 to 7 here. If that doesn't work, I hope it does, because you kind of need that. But if it doesn't, then in measure 5 instead of here, you do a 2-1. So you can put thumb on that G. That way you can reach the 5 more easily. I don't know how big your hands are, but hopefully you can reach that, because it's kind of an important distance you need to be able to reach if your hands are big enough. Then put the hands together. Let's see what happens. We're here and here. Then here. When you put the hands together, I already did. Then go back and get rid of the hesitations. Okay, I already did. Then I add the articulation. It's just connected. We're going to lift up. It looks like it's 2 measure phrases in the right hand. Lift up here, but connect that. Okay. Lift up in the right hand, connect the left. So I put in the articulation, then the dynamics, and all they give you is F for forte. Ugh. Get to know it. If you feel like getting a little louder and softer, it's like at the end of the phrases. You can shape these phrases, and one of the ways of doing that is to come down a little bit at the end of a phrase. Come down a little bit, just a little bit, not a lot. And then back up at the next. You can shape the phrases, experiment. How do you feel it? It's like the natural accent, so the left hand's playing on them. That helps. Then the speed is about where I've been going, somewhere in the middle. That's my moderato for now. With another cup of coffee or 2, that would change. I want you to transpose this to G major. So we're going from F major to G major. Just up 1 key is all it is. So just take everything in the music up 1 note. So instead here, you're here. And in G major, they're all white keys except for the Fs. Play F sharps. Here. 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 And then... Now at the end, because it's here, I don't come up here. I do that. the black key. That's all. And then the left hand, same thing. Just take all the notes up one. Let's play this together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms as it's written. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.